What dog and I put loose dogs in there. Scared of dogs.
Hey guys, so we just came out of Petland looking at some nice, pretty little dogs. I really think I want a puppy to take away my mind from a lot of things. It's so cute. I really like them. So just leaving from out of Petland. But the puppies are so cute. But they were asking for $2,400. He said what, $2,400 up to what, $5,000 for a Yorkie? That's a lot of money, but it's still cute. So I'm gonna look back at the video and see what puppy I like. Somebody might have to move out, probably me, if that's the case, because I like to see them. You know. So now we're heading down the road to check for my brother, or just go and do some walking. So come mommy back here. Say hey mommy. Guys, right now we are in the farmer's market looking for some fresh fruits and picking up some stuff. You gonna eat that father, huh? Yes, sir. Them thing looks sucky.
No.
Huh?
So?
How much of them thing you have in your mouth, then?
One babe.
You're going on like that with bread nut. This passion fruit right here, you know. Passion fruit.
Chestnut and bread nut there, man. That's all the chestnut.
Oh yeah, the passion fruit. That's guava.
That's a big one, okay?
This is Thai guava.
I know.
This is probably a, look how big this is. Guava is usually this small.
Nah, guava they get this big, babe.
I never know guava to be that big.
I don't see guava this big, yeah.
We used to have another tree back in the islands. It used to be this small, or even yeah, this small right here. No, look at the guava. This is some chemically enhanced guava. There's a brand of cookie called Bimbo cookies, but every time I come here, they have everything else except Bimbo cookies. And I think they decided to say that they don't sell it. The last time I talked to people in Puerto Rico, they said that they don't sell it because people get intimidated by being called Bimbo cookies. But it is so good. If you guys taste Bimbo cookies, it is so good. But I don't have my appetite for anything. So now they're over here looking for bread. Look. He found his bun. He got his, what is this, bread pudding?
That's my lucky day.
What's that? What's that?
Bread pudding, bread. Pudding and give it. Hey, give two board.
That it might be spoiled, you might go. You're going to just pick up one? Today is your lucky day, you're going to just pick up one? Today is your lucky day, you're going to pick up one? Yeah, I think 3 times it. Today's his lucky day, he's just picking up one. It costs a lot. Look at it. So this is called pudding. But it's like bread pudding. It's like bread and raisins and coconut inside of it, and it's called pudding. It is delicious. It's actually $2.49. $2.49 for it. It's real good. I haven't had one in a long time, but it's real good. Guys, at the farmer's market, the area where they keep all the fishes, and you could buy some fresh fish over there. I'm gonna pan around and let you guys see all the fresh fish that they have, because they got whales, they got conch, they got so much of stuff. And these two over here arguing about these snacks right here. I'm on the keto diet, so I am not eating any type of junk food. I refuse to eat any type of junk food right now. They got, look, a little mini cart with full of a bunch of stuff. They taste good, mommy? Mommy, it tastes good? She gonna wipe off her hand. So we're getting ready to head out. Just going on into this aisle with jasmine tea, the tea aisle, tea leaves and stuff. So we're about to get ready to head out in a little bit. Alright guys, so now we are on our way. I don't know, I guess we're going to my brother's house, but he said that we're gonna have a game night. We're gonna do some keto friendly food, different little things we're gonna do with him. So, but I don't know exactly what time it is. I don't know what time it is. It's after 4. He said to come down at around 6 o'clock. So we'll just take y'all on a ride and see where else we're gonna go next. And somebody hungry, because look, somebody got a whole big thing of cake. I mean,
you got hand sanitizer?
Yeah, I have hand sanitizer. There you go. Mommy, need hand sanitizer too? Alright guys, I'll see you guys at the next location. So I'm going into Publix to get me some soup so that I could have something to eat. So let's go get the soup and see what they have. We have chicken noodle soup, beef, and broccoli. That's done. Can't have that. With the weather looking like this, it's not cool or anything. This is the reason why there's no soup, because of how the weather looks. So on to our next store to find some soup. Okay guys, so now we are on our way to my brother's house. I got me some soup from Chick-fil-A, and this is the first time I've ever been tasting Chick-fil-A soup, and it is the bomb. It is so good. So now we're on our way to my brother's house to go and hang with them just for a little bit and see how the night goes there. Everybody, I'll be driving, mom in the back watching YouTube, and that's about it. We got about 10 more minutes, 10 or 20 more minutes when we reach to our destination. So guys, we are on our way to Bath and Body Works to pick up some last minute stuff. And we're with the family. We got Chantel, we got Mommy, we got Vince, and we got hubby.
She better not.
I'm gonna take them shoes off for Chantel.
I'm gonna just help her with.
Ooh, white wine. Okay, so we have that table right in front of you.
Well, okay, all right. No, it's $5.
What y'all doing?
So it's like this weather is when Chantel
Right.
drives.
Alright guys, so I think we are finito. I got me some stuff from Bath and Body Works. Vince and Chantel got a lot of stuff from Bath and Body Works, I bet.
He got most of it.
Oh, but I got some smell good. Yeah, I got some smell good. So now we are on our way back to the house, and we are going to get some. Well, he's gonna get some to eat, and that's about it.